Hello everyone. Today we are going to compare Windows 10 and Windows 11. 1. Appearance and user interface. Windows 10. Classic start menu with sharp corners, simple and traditional icons and windows. Another major change is the rounded design applied to almost all icons. Windows menus and notification boxes now have rounded corners, making the appearance softer and more elegant. Windows 11, modern design with rounded corners, centered start menu, new icons, and more beautiful transparent transparency effects. 2. Speed and performance. Windows 10, fast and stable on most systems, especially older ones. Windows 11, slightly more optimized for newer systems with powerful hardware but may run slower on older machines. 3. Hardware requirements. Windows 10 can be installed on most PCs with minimal hardware. Windows 11 requires newer processors and more advanced security features, which makes installation on older devices more difficult. 4. Compatibility with programs. Windows 10 fully compatible with most software and drivers. Also works well with older hardware and software versions. Windows 11. Some older software and hardware may not function correctly or may require updates, ideal for users with up-to-date hardware. 5. Security. Windows 10. Good security with Windows Defender and frequent updates. Windows 11. Enhanced security with secure boot and newer protection technologies. Six. New features. Windows 10. Familiar and widely used by most users. Windows 11. New widgets, snap layouts for easier window management, better touchscreen support, and improved gaming features. 7. User experience. Windows 10. Simple, stable, and with minimal changes. Windows 11. Visually impressive but may feel confusing for some users. 8. Support and updates. Windows 10 supported until 2025, of course possibly extended. Windows 11 new version with longer term support. Summary and recommendations. If your system is modern and powerful and you like a fresh look and new features, Windows 11 is a good choice. If your system is older or you prefer stability and broader compatibility, Windows 10 is still the best option. Windows 11 offers various improvements in performance and features, but it may require stronger hardware. To install and run Windows 11, more advanced processors and memory are needed, which means it's less compatible with older systems. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and goodbye.